Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how to turn $1,000 into $5,000 in crypto. I'm going to explain you a 5-step instructive on how to obtain this result, and from this video, if you are new into the crypto space or even if you have been here from a while, you will get valuable information on how to think your crypto investment right now. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and join me on Twitter. I am posting exclusive information only there. And leave me a comment on this video. How is your strategy right now? Are you obtaining the results that you wanted? What are the coins that you are performing best on your portfolio? Without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, today we are going to follow this instructive of 5 steps that I created to turn $1,000 into $5,000. Obviously, if you start investment with more money, you will have this multiplier anyways. With it, you will have a 5x on your money. First of all, the first step is that you need to define what is your economic goal in the long term, mid term, and short term. Before investing in anything, you need to understand that you need to visualize your goal from a long-term perspective. That could be 7 to 10 years, for example. What is the situation that you want to be at that moment? And you need to do that into the midterm and in the short term too. You can apply this for anything in your life, and I will recommend you to do that. You always have to be doing things in post of some goal that you have in the economic part of your life or emotional life. Second, you need to define the type of investor you are going to be, because the strategy will adapt according to that. I will explain that after. Third, you need to create a strategy not emotional attached. So if you right now you're an XRP fan, then you will not use XRP on this strategy. You shouldn't be emotional attached to any cryptocurrency or any stock or anything to get a good investment. 4, you are going to execute this strategy. And 5, you are going to review this strategy over time. And you then will repeat this from point 2. Well, the first step is define your goal, and you need to be realistic here. I make it very simple because this is just an example of what I meant with this. Let's say that in 5 years you want to have $1 million. That is realistic. I know many people that in a term of 5 to 10 years have been achieved this amount of money. We can say that in 5 years you want to get into the half of that. That will be $500,000. And let's say in this year you want to make 5K. Money gets money, so first it will be harder, and that's why from 5K you will have 5 years into turn into $500,000, and then only 3, probably less if you achieve this goal. But for the purpose of the video, we are going to turn 1K into 5K. The second step is the type of investor. I divided this in 4 categories. The plain investor. These are investors that hold for 10 years or more. Warren Buffett, Michael Saylor, all those billionaires that we know, they are usually entering this category. They get the stocks or they're investing from a long time, or even like Michael Saylor is saying he will never sell his position in Bitcoin because he can use that to get a loan in US value, that value less than the Bitcoin year tras year, but that's another situation. Mainly you need to hold from 10 years or more. Then we have the hodler. That ideally a hodler should be someone that holds his crypto over a market cycle. In crypto right now we can say that that is 4 years, and he will buy at the bottom of the cycle and he will sell at the top of the cycle, and then we'll repeat this situation. Then we have the swing trader that works over the market cycle and takes advantage of the big swings price on it. Each trade may take days or weeks to accomplish, and he will be doing the swing trades in bull market or in the bear market. And then we have the daily trader. He enters a position at the beginning of the day and is out of that position over the 24-hour period. For the swing trader or daily trade, you need to know technical analysis. So if you are seeing this video and you are new in crypto and maybe you don't have this knowledge, I recommend you to start learning about this. But anyways, you can be able to do the instructive that I will tell. So you probably want to enter in a hodler category. The third step, it will be create a strategy not emotional attached. For this, you will need to decide the type of risk that you want to take. Of course, if you take more risk, you probably could have a more range of profits, but also obviously it's more risky. So for this video, I did one strategy example with a risk 2/10. This is very conservative. The type of investor for this strategy is you will be like a 90% hodler and a 10% trader, but you will see at the end that basically this is a 100% hodler strategy. So the goal here is I have $1,000 to invest and I want to turn it into $5,000. This strategy is an example that I created and it is valid for this date. So if you are seeing this video in the future, maybe I will not pick the same coins or I will do it differently. The market status right now we are, and this is my opinion, a 70% process on the bull market on the cycle. So I still expect a 30% more of increase on the cycle. Maybe we are a little less than that. So for this strategy, I will say that I will put 50% on Bitcoin. This is the most secure coin right now to make an investment. The companies are investing in Bitcoin only, maybe in Ethereum, but there are another news on Polkadot, on ADA and other coins, but mainly the focus right now is that the companies are buying Bitcoin. So probably you will have a less return investing in Bitcoin, but a more secure and low risk for this percentage. So then I will put 20% of the investment in coins of the top 10. You can check CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap to find that and decide in what project or coin you are going to put the money. I will give you one option with picking coins that I will show you in the video, but obviously you can change that according with your beliefs of the projects and utility of the token and other variables and fundamentals. And obviously, if you know, the technical analysis will be the decisive thing to see about what coins to pick for this. Then we have a 10% from the top 10 to the top 100. Then another top 10% outside of the top 100. So this will be coins that you will have a big risk that probably can go to zero or probably can get you maybe a 20x, 50x or 100x on this bull market. And then we are going to have a 10% to use to trade with leverage. So this is the basic strategy. We can add a lot of things to this, but this will be my not emotional attached strategy to get 1,000 into 5,000. Now let's go on how to execute this. The fourth step is execute your strategy, the not emotional attached. So for this, you need to, for example, create an account on Binance. I will put my affiliate link in the description of the video. You can use any exchange that you want. You will buy $1,000 in Tether, and from there we are going to buy $500 in Bitcoin, and we are going to do it when the RSI in a daily candle is below 50 and the stochastic RSI is below 20. Because if we are right now completely overbought, you don't want to buy now, because then probably the price we will have a fall of maybe 20%, that is like it's happening right now, and you will need to wait all the time suffering that your investment is losing money before we take another leg up on this bull market. So with this, you probably will be like in an average time to buy. If the RSI is below that, obviously you will have more chances that you are like in a bottom of a correction, and then you can go up from there. This is in a daily candle chart. Then you will buy $200 on Ethereum, ADA, DOT or Link. I pick these 4 coins from the top 10, like I said in the strategy. You can use another coins of the top 10. Binance is in a real big hype right now, but for the purpose of the video and right now, for what I saw in the charts, I will pick these 4 coins. Right now we are in a correction in the bull market, and I check it, and all these coins right now are below 50 on the RSI, on the daily candle. Some of them, for example Bitcoin, is very oversold on the stochastic RSI, so it will be a relatively good time to buy right now. Then you will buy $100 distributed on coins from the top 10 to the top 100. For that I pick up these 4 coins. All these coins that I show you here I have in my portfolio are coins that I believe they will succeed in this bull run and in the long term. But obviously you can pick another coins if you think that it will perform better than these ones. Vechain, Uniswap, ABL, and Silica, for example, of course, and at least the RSI below 50. Then you will use $100 to hot altcoins. That's because of the hype, what YouTube says to do, and any other fundamentals that you have. You will put $100 into coins out of the first 100 coins on CoinMarketCap. You could hit a 10x from that coins or more. Maybe in one coin you will get to 0, and in another coin you will get 20x. So this is a little gamble like I put here. Make your own research on that. I am not a financial advisor. This is only for entertainment purposes. And finally, we are going to use $100 to trade Bitcoin futures on Binance using leverage from 5 to 20. So this is the execute strategy, how to execute it. Let's go into another more information. Please keep into the last of the video, because now we are going to see some surprises on this. Here we have a speculative table of results. This is based on some things that I found over the internet, what I see that another YouTubers are telling in YouTube for these bull run results. Some of them say that Bitcoin can hit $300,000 or more. I put it that Bitcoin it will have $150,000 for this bull run. All this information here is only a price prediction and speculative information that I found over the internet. But many of these prices could be conservative for you or not, but this is like an average situation of what we have like fundamentals right now, that prices that we could have in the peak of the bull run. So based on that, I created this table to see the results of the execute strategy that I show you. So Bitcoin right now it's at 46k. We say that could hit $150,000. That will be a 3.26x on the price. So if we invest $500, this result it will be that we will get $1,630. With Ether right now it's $1,480. Some people say that could hit $20,000. I don't think. Maybe for me, $5,000 it will be the price. and other people say $10,000 is conservative. I put that information here just for the purpose of this speculative results table. That will give you that we turn our $50 into $337 with 50 cents, and we continue with the other coins on that. So I put all the information here that you can see here. Then it will be the 50% of Bitcoin, the 20% on the top 10 coins, and then the 10% over the coins that are in from the 10 to the 100 on the CoinMarketCap list. Then for the hot altcoins outside the 100 top coins, I put that this is if you have also lucky. We did 7x, so we turn $100 into $700. This implies that maybe money that you put in one coin go to zero, but another coin did maybe 20x. So this is an average that the situation that could happen. And then we say that for the trading BTC futures, you lost your $100 because the average trading is not for everybody. And we say that we lost the $100. So basically this finally, like I said before, this will be a holder strategy. With all that result, we can see that the total will be $5,091. That will be how we turn $1,000 into $5,000 with this strategy. Probably I would say that you can, depending how the bull run goes, and please don't hate me for put this information here. This is only based on speculative price prediction, but maybe Bitcoin could hit $300,000. So this result, it will be a lot of more. So maybe if you have luck with this strategy this year, you could have turned $1,000 into $10,000 maybe. But for the purpose of the video, this is the result of the speculative table. So the last step is review your strategy based on fundamentals and technical analysis, at least one per month. Follow all the steps. This doesn't mean that you don't can follow your coins day to day and see what happened, but you should not take decisions over what you see. So one per month, you only need to be available to make changes or take decisions over your strategy. That way you will not take a rush decision because maybe Bitcoin goes down at 10%, because that is nothing for Bitcoin. Remember, this strategy is an example that I share, and it's what I will do right now if I put $1,000 and change it into $10,000 or $5,000 in this case, based on today's information. We are into the end of February right now. But even if you see this video in the future, the relationship between the investments in percentage and maybe the coins could help you anyway. So I think that's it all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I did a lot of research and thinking to put this information, so please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and please leave me some comments. What coins are you taking? Did you enjoy these results, these speculative results? Did you like it, the 5-step instructive that I did to help you to make money in this bull market? And if you want this file to see it maybe in the future and what to do, please contact me on Twitter, send me a message. I will share with you this file so you can keep it. Please, again, like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.